Are we good? Are we going live? Come on. Let's try this again. Go. Go. Aha. Okay, winning. One thing at a time. You know what? Your bed is right there. Why are you lying on the floor? Okay. You do you, I guess. There it is. She's there. Here. Meow. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Gosh, this is really a freaking process, guys. I don't think I can stress that enough. This is a proper process. Okay, done. Last thing. Well, it's gonna update there now. That's fun. That's fine. I can see if anything is here. Let's check this out. Solly, what up? How you doing, Solly? How's it going? Just pop that over there. I can just wait. Just wait. Like everything else, everything must just... but anyways, are we ready? I want to think that I'm ready. I did kind of mark out some liquidity points. Here I am hoping, keyword, that VWAP behaves. Okay, kind of took that, so. I did not mark out key areas on ES yet. I need to sort that. Oh, wait. This could be working now. Are we working? Work. Hey! Working? Maybe. Created some equal highs there on ES. Did I take out this liquidity? Nope, I did mark that. Look at me go. Some relative equal lows. Lower down. Okay, guys, I can now see chats. Apologies. Oh, hello. Obo? Not that much. I've only been trading since April, so I'm still fairly new. Mohammed, what up? Rachel, I actually did not even plan on doing that. It's hot today, so I was like, I'm gonna wear a dress because it's less effort. Sweet and simply. I thoroughly enjoy these corsets. They're really comfy. And my hair, I made the tragic mistake of brushing my hair this morning. So if you have curly hair, you know, so I made two mistakes. I brushed my hair and then I went for a walk on the beach. My hair doesn't do well with humidity and it's a little bit curly, so brushing it makes it poof. So add poof onto poof, and I was just like, nah, that's a bad idea. So I just decided to keep it under control. Didi, what up? How you doing? Mohammed, good morning to you. James K, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. This is gamble. What is? Haven't done anything. Can't say I'm gambling. Haven't done anything. Guessorama, hi, how are you? Obo, in all honesty, I've just been learning from the chat in this community. I don't think you can find better knowledge than people who've experienced it and that are willing to admit that they're not 100% and they're not trying to sell anything, you know. It's just pure honesty of, oh, I tried this because of these confluences or because of this time frame or whatever, and oops, you know, it did or didn't work. But I guess that is the thing with trading. Alan, oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Also, hi. Mangle, it's called Teach Maya Trading, not Maya Teaching Trading. So this is more about community and it's more about the journey. Yeah, that's literally it. It's about the journey. European Ricky Vlogs. I'm from South Africa. Mangle, I don't think you know how curly hair works. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, don't worry, I'm used to it. Thank you. It is, yeah, 100%. Solly knows. Solly's been here for a while. He's witnessed and had to deal with the chaos firsthand. I don't know what I would do without Solly. 100%, Obo. 100%. Rafani Baba, hi. Thank you. Damn, that's cool. That is awesome, Ricky. How are you enjoying it? Drac, I'm not even profitable yet. See, I'm not here to lie, guys. I'm here to be honest. So I'm doing an eval account currently. When did I start it? I started it 3 weeks ago. I had a red week the first week. That was a bummer. The second week was a green week. And this week so far has been a break-even week. Yeah. Cortex is real or scam? No idea, sorry. No idea. Everything is a scam if you lose money. I mean, meh. That's debatable. That we could have a bit of a debate on. Sorry, I've gotten distracted. Give me a second. Let's see. So, London. We have not much. We have not much. That's not English. We have not had much happen as of yet. Solly, what do you think is going to happen today? Tube Treasure, what up? How you doing? Oh, Solly. Okay, Solly, you wanted to go down. Sorry, I just saw that now. Yep. Okay. So you're thinking shorts today. Is that what I'm seeing? TGR live. Hi. Oh, nice. Okay, so you do crypto trading. Awesome. I've heard mixed reviews about crypto. Sharky, yo. Sharky. Sorry. Moving on. TGR Live, you're from India. Awesome. I look like what a mid-century wife would look like. That's pretty valid. That's actually pretty valid. Rafani Baba, which one is good for trading app? So I mean, Trading View I think is quite a beginner friendly. I would want to say beginner friendly. This is Project X I'm using. I would say it's just one step up from that. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot, but I think Trading View is the easiest. My limited experience, right? David, oh sorry, I didn't see your earlier message. So this is the Nasdaq futures, or the MNQ, so the micro Nasdaq futures. Boom Banana, what up? How's it going? I saw yesterday was amazing for you. Well done. Joseus, thank you. You were short at 320, targeting 288. But just... Okay, wait. You were short at 320. Nope. Okay. Okay, cool. So you're targeting the liquidity. Why did you close early? Do you think it could keep going up? Do you think it might come tap back down into... Let's see this. Ooh, that would have been scary. That would have been a bit me. No, wait, I lied. This would not be there. This would be this itty bitty little range here. Oh, damn. Let's see if this would have actually worked. I think this range is too small. How big is this? 6.5 points. Not great. Hey, Ashley. What up, Sam? I am back. I'm always back. Ricky, I've never really gone to either of them, so I can't say. I just think it's awesome to have such variety, or to meet people, rather, from all around the world. It's amazing. Yeah. Sam! I'm salty about yesterday. I was up, I was in the green, and then I took 2 city trades, and then I was red. I think it was like $30 in the red, or so. I could be lying, but something along those lines. But still, I was so nice in the green yesterday, and then 2 silly trades and into the red. That was very frustrating. Boom Banana. Oh, of course. See, I'm nice. Out here lying to people, saying I'm mean. And look, I'm being nice to you. Anyways. Is it lucky hairband? I hope so. I hope so. I actually don't know. Maybe this is lucky hairband. Let's see. Guitar guy. Hey, guitar guy. And LP, good morning. Ninja Trader, really? Is it working for you? I've heard mixed reviews. Yeah, thanks, Bim. You're being nice. But you're wrong. I was terrible yesterday, but thank you. Making lower highs seems bearish. Let's see. This is, well, to me, this now just looks like it could potentially just be going sideways. Hey, kid, how you doing? How's it going? $288 is new daily opening gap. Yes. So Patrick, shouldn't it theoretically want to go down there? Ooh, YOLO though. Check out gold on the 5-minute head and shoulders with a break and retest. Ooh, chef's kiss. I love it. Nox, how are you, by the way? How are you doing? No, I didn't manage to backtest it yesterday. Ugh, life got a bit hectic, so I'll be able to backtest it this weekend. Or I could attempt to forward test it today. Let's see. Trade delicious. What up? Wait, sorry, I've missed a bunch of things. David, yeah, that's exactly right. And this is what I'm here for. It's a journey. It's a journey. A lot of lessons, life lessons as well. It's quite interesting how trading can correlate with life. Like I said, before April, I knew nothing. I knew nothing about trading. Like I said, I didn't even know what candles were. And then I started in April and oh my gosh. Yeah, it really does. It has a lot of correlations with regards to life as well, which is good. But damn, the mental side of it is actually insane. It's insane. Witch Hunter, I haven't done any forex trading, sorry. Damn, Olive, look at you go. I mean, I don't think I've been trading long enough to have much of an opinion with regards to that, because I've only known what's been going on since April. I also don't know how it's going to affect the charts. How do you think it's going to affect the charts? Boom Banana, I'm always nice to you. You just choose to hear the mean thing. No, I'm joking, I'm joking. See, that was rude, I'm sorry. Trade Delicious, how's it been going? How's the trading? How's the travel trading log going? I think I butchered that, but you know. Okay. Aaron, hi, how's it going? Sam, how do I take care of a horse? Oh my gosh, with a lot of time and money. So much time and money. There's a lot that goes into taking care of horses. Chat, so is it super hard to get into trading? No. And is it worth it to be confirmed? I think it is. I think in the long run, but don't expect quick and easy results. I think that's what a lot of people mess up. They come in here with the perception of this is going to be quick, easy money. Noob. Noob. This is a lot of hard work. Yeah, that's valid. Boom, that's valid. Borschenberg, what does VWAP stand for? Value weighted added profit? What? No? Value weighted added? Come on. It's not profit. I said it literally the other day. I've been saying it. Oh my gosh. Profile. The profile. I think it's profile. Sorry, profit's in the brain now. Because I want profit. No, that sounded very greedy. Don't be greedy. Greed is a killer. Dag nabbit. This would have been a goodie. Check here. Ooh, let's see. And there would have been take profit. Huh. Okay, so if I'd use this little range here, actually would have been a win. Solly, it looks like it's heading there. Just really, really slowly. Really slowly being the key word. Bit of liquidity there. Oh my gosh, each time I draw this, the range gets smaller. Okay. Do we think we're actually going to have some momentum today? Try to zoom in to make the candles look a little bit more, you know, a bit more. Obo, free trading core. No, ICT. Yeah, I use some ICT concepts, Obo. Thanks, Boom. Yeah, and that was a goodie. Hi, life. Hello. How you been? You've been really quiet recently. How's the trading been going? How do I manage to keep the same face / mood while in profit or loss? Do I? Listen, yesterday during New York, I was very salty. I was very grumpy. So, YOLO though, it's going down. I'm not live, but the defending thing pretty hard. I love. Oh, you love Ninja. Oh, nice. Okay. Hey, Ghost Girl, what's up? For funny, Baba, yes, I am. I am using Instagram. Prosto, what's a scam? Scalper, nope. I did not know what candles were when I started. Literally, let's say Feb this year, I had absolutely no freaking clue what candles were. Literally. Let alone that you could buy and sell. But yeah. Oh, Ricky, you can ask. Majority know how old I am. I'm 27. Sorry guys, I'm going down. I'm going down. Big Bull, what's up? And Ravens fan, hey. Big Bull, your dream is to marry me in the future. Okay. Can I say when Solana will go up? No, because I don't even really know what that is. Gothenburg, everything is up here. Oh, nice! Nox, that is awesome. See, that would have sucked. But that is amazing. I've never done karate. I did do kickboxing though. Scalper? Yeah, probably. That sounds about right. I think it's a little bit cheaper down here in South Africa, but yes. Trade with the cash? A. Average price. Thank you. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Patrick. Price. I got the VWAR. I forgot what the P stood for. Remembering Kay and Gordon. Do I know the song Once Upon a December? If I had to play it, probably. Oh, I'm so sorry. I see I've missed a lot of things. Oh, my stop loss break even, not trying to lose it. Okay, that's valid, Solly. David, thank you. Godspeed to you too. How long until I'm rich? My man, this is a very long journey. I think it's going to take a while. If you see gold, look to sell if it gets to 3985. Okay. Trade with the cash. I tend to just use TradingView. FX Daniel Savage. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, micros, to be specific. Ricky, sorry, can you just send it again? What was your last comment, please? Thank you. Oh, damn! Look at you go! You're a year younger than me, Ricky. Oh, Daniel, what would I recommend? Oh. That's a bit of a toughie. I don't know if I'm qualified to be giving that advice, but you know, I think it would be number one, just find a strategy that works for you and makes sense to you. You know, it might take a lot of research. Maybe if you have a trading friend and they have a strategy that they can explain to you. And then number two would be, in my opinion, prop firms, just so that you can trade live, because paper trading I don't think does any good. I guess it's good to check out where you can place your trades, but with the emotions and the fear, it does absolutely nothing, because you know you're not losing or gaining anything. So prop firms, I would then say, are a good way to get started, because then you have to then deal with the mental side of it, and I think that's the most difficult part, dealing with the mental side. Cool gamer and toy reviewer. Hi. Alright, what up? Oh, Asher. Hi, Asher. Sorry. RS, how goes it today? I mean, it's fine. This just looks like it's going sideways, so I now sits and I waits. I mean, we have like 15 seconds until opening. Let's see if anything good happens. Anu, maybe you have too many indicators. Maybe it's too complicated. Oh, thank you, Sam. Hey, AESFX. Yes, I do. I do remember you. How are you doing? Damn, Ricky, look at you go. Well done. Boom Banana, Maya, give me a trade. Is that a wise choice? Is that do you really want me to give you a trade? Do I think patterns work? What do you mean by patterns? Ricky, am I married? No. Oh, thanks, Daniel. Patrick, I guess that is valid. That's valid. I get that. But is it not better than blowing through all your capital in one go? You know, I guess you then have to use your mindset as this is your money that you are losing or gaining, you know. Focus. Hello, Focus's friend Mike. What's up? Extraordinary cave trader, what up? Oh, sorry. Yes, I'm sorry, Ricky. I lied. I'm actually secretly married to Boom Banana. Just no one knows it. Including me, apparently. But anyways. You longed BTC. Damn, I don't know. Anyone trading BTC? Anyone have any ideas? Yeah. It's hush hush. It's like a top secret, right? That's why we're mean to each other. I haven't had a sip of my coffee yet. It is a little bit hot. Boom, do you think anything is gonna come of today? Or is it just, oh, it's Friday. Guys, happy Friday. I keep forgetting where we are in this week. This week just feels like one big blur. It was so weird. When it was Tuesday, I thought it was Wednesday. When it was Wednesday, I thought it was Thursday. And then when it was Thursday, I thought it was Wednesday again. I don't know, my brain's just all over the place. And now I'm like, oh damn, it's Friday. What happened to the week? Hey Raj, what up? Valid, boom. Now we sit and we wait. Very much sit and wait. Oh my gosh. Anyone have any thoughts of what could happen? Let's check the 15-minute. My little quotes. Day trader, not everyday trader, from Sali. There's always another trade, from I Love Tech. Too much chaos, thank you. I did call this yesterday. It just didn't happen when I thought it would happen. So that was a bit of a bummer. Oh well, it is what it is. I really don't know which way this is headed. I guess we do. We just have to sit and wait for it to stop being in this range. I see I've missed a bunch. Can I short my life for big profits? No. No? Raj, you think it's going to go to the downside. Looks like New York is where it's going to be. Extraordinary cave trader. You say that. it's done similar during London before, where it's kind of ranged, and then at around, sorry, I'm going to use South Africa time, at around 10:30, it actually started to get some momentum, and then it was really good. And then naturally, I had to leave, so that sucked. And then, yeah, New York has just not been nice to me recently. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm a little bit grumpy at New York. I've been enjoying London, because London's been nice. ET, no. ET, why did I say that? YT, no. Ricky, I mean, you can pop me a DM on Instagram, I guess, if you want. Tube Treasure, you're looking at 25350 if it goes there. So are you in this yet, or are you waiting for a bit of momentum? Bro, McCaw, thank you. Extraordinary Cave Trader, I've been kind of looking into gold. It does look like it could potentially be quite fun. My whole thing that I want to just try to stick to is that I want to get good at one thing first before I start jumping around, if that makes sense. Oh, nice, YT, that's awesome. Amazing, whoop whoop, that is so cool, well done. Patrick 8, okay, so you're waiting for that reaction. Ricky, I try to reply to everyone. Try being the keyword. You know, life happens. Raj, of course you can. I'm from South Africa. Thank you, Nox. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Renik, what up? How you doing? Tube Treasure. Okay, so you're not in yet, but you're waiting for... Are you just waiting for a bit of impulse or for a bit of a breakout? Is that what you're waiting for? Nox, but daylight savings hasn't happened just yet. It's happened somewhere, but not... It's only happening for here. For the markets. In November? I could be wrong, guys. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Ronaldo, hi. I'm it. Thank you. There we go. Ah, see. Oh, yeah. It's next month, November already. What the heck? Where has this year gone? Oh, guys. What is going on? Anyways. What is that? Cursory? What is that? User 123, I cannot because I don't know anything about that. Sorry. Anyone know anything about collateralized loan obligations? Ronaldo, you love my accent. Thank you. I appreciate it. You'll wait to see because you think if it hits there, it'll go down. Bernardo, this is the VWAP. That's what the blue line is. The blue line is the VWAP. Value weighted average price. See, I did not butcher it that time. Thank you guys for helping me out earlier. Nope. User 123. I don't know. Right, boom. What the heck? How is it almost Christmas? Okay, no, I'm jumping the gun a little bit. How is it almost Halloween and then almost Christmas? Oh my word. I say that, like I said, South Africa is quite boring when it comes to Halloween. We don't do anything special. Though I say that, there looks like there's something happening not too far from where I live. I say not too far, it's like an hour and a half. But that looks like it'd be quite cool. Use it. It's all about the spreads. Okay. Oh, that was that. Oh, I'll loan you my love and you'll always be golden. That was bad. Hey, from India, Assam here. Hi. Listen to the song from some. Okay, I'm going to. Let's check. I won't play it here, or else I might get banned. But let me put it into my search. Bean, and it's called Maya. Ah, nothing came up. I'll have a look a little bit later. Diego, what you laughing at? Did I not say volume weighted? What did I say? Tube treasure. Yeah, don't worry, listen. No! Are you serious? Christmas decorations have already come to the stores? That's bad. That's bad. How? Like, I get it. I guess for shops, Christmas is the time they make the most money, but still. Gold is super fun. I recommend to try it. Micros on gold to practice and ready for on trades gold or Rick also. Ooh. Extraordinary cave trader. Like I said, yeah. Hey, Kiko. Okay. Cool. Did I miss an earlier message, or you getting through the pleasantries? Is that what's happening? Yeah. Only alright, I guess. You can't complain. Why, Kiko? Also, that reminded me of the NF song. You know, hey Nate, how's life? Anyways, moving on. Oh. Is AI company mirroring CoreWeave? Cursory? That's interesting. Cool game and toy reviewer, what up? Boom Banana, is it bad that I have absolutely no idea? I have no idea. What's your costume gonna be, Boom? You made a decent amount trading it. Awesome. I must go and check that out then. Thank you. Thanks, Patrick. Thanks. At least someone's, yeah. At least someone's on it. Martin, what cat am I getting? So I'm going to, we're nearly at, oh gosh. Oh, damn. Okay, so we're nearly at 4K. Well, not, you know, it's getting there. It's getting to 4K. When it's 4K, I will then do the top 4, and then you guys vote. I wonder if I can do a poll on a short. You guys can, like, pick. Anyways, but then I'll do the top 4, and then you guys vote. And then once we have the number 1, then I'll give 4 options for where it goes. And then again, you guys decide. This is like, majority of this is in your hands. Literally, majority of this is in your hands. Oh, guys, speaking of, next week, there may or may not be a giveaway. And this time, it may or may not be a 50k eval account. But that's all I'm saying. Moving on. Hey, Boom, you buddy. Money Mindset, please update about gold analysis. Money Mindset, no idea. Anyone here trading gold right now that can give a good analysis? I haven't checked out the gold, sorry. The world and what they said is, kids, what am I watching? Apparently paint dry. because nothing is happening. So, yeah. That's about it. I'm just watching paint dry right now. Boom banana. Really? You think we sell again? Why? Is it because it's respecting this level so well? Martin, neck tat. Right here. For you guys to see. Oh, is the neck not painful? I mean, ugh, I don't know why the heck I'm saying that. I've had so... yeah, anyway. There's nothing we can do. When do I think I will be profitable? That's a really good question. That's a really good question. I mean, should we try set a... let's maybe not add that extra pressure. I was gonna say, should we try set a goal and try see if I can become profitable by December, or at least pass the eval by December? But I'm like, let's maybe not do that. I know my brain, I'll start doing dumb things. We're buying here because of market structure. Two trades at profit. My heart doesn't go more than 2 for now. Okay, yes. Baby wipes, you're trading gold. Okay, and what's the analysis? How's it looking? Boom banana, what? I guess I'll just have to let the wheel decide, honestly. 5-minute time frame going down on gold. Ooh, okay. You guys in this to win it. Baby wipes, but it might be turning. Cheers, Kiko, enjoy. Yeah, I mean, there's not much going on right now, so fine. Damn, I love chick. Okay, yeah. Sean, what am I trading? Well, nothing right now because I do not trade the chop, and this is just ridiculous. But I'm on the Nasdaq futures micros. Yeah. Scalper, by end of year, 10 funded accounts. Damn, you have high expectations of me. Sean Joseph, what up, by the way? Martin, no, I have not. Like I said, guys, I'm not here to claim that I am the best trader. I am here for the journey and learning and figuring things out. Scalper from January, 2K per month. Ricky, not yet. I'll go after stream. Interesting. Okay, so there's nothing we can do. Don't you think being profitable requires to fail fast and learn from mistakes? Done that plenty of times, and the mistakes were sweet and simply I did not have a strategy that worked well with me. So failed very fast, very quickly. It's why I know that I cannot do market buy or market sells. Doesn't work. I don't know. It's like it triggers the fight or flight. I don't know how to explain it. It's like my brain just shuts off if I do those. So am I failing faster for me being profitable? I feel like now I'm slowly well, I felt that I was slowly climbing into the profits. Let's see. It feels like I'm at a little bit of a break-even point, which is weird to say, but I hope that makes sense. Kay, what up? How you doing? How's the frog? Raga 47? No, I do not trade a funded account. Sean, no, I learned the basics from my trading friend that helped me get into it. And then the rest I've actually learned from you guys and this community and all the backtesting and. But yeah, majority of what I've learned is actually from you guys, which is amazing. Ricky, where you at then? Mix. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Guys, can I just... Sorry. I don't know if you guys are ready for a random rant on a Friday. But how dumb is the human brain? Sorry, I know that's a very weird thing to say, but just how dumb is the human brain? Like, every day, a lot of you guys are so sweet. But the brain doesn't comprehend the nice things. The brain sees the negative things and goes, oh, no. But why? But that's like with everything in life. Like, even with regards to riding horses, someone can say like 1,000 good things and one bad thing, and your brain just latches onto it. Why is the human brain so dumb? Sorry, that was my little Friday rant. Sorry. Okay, well, I mean, Trading Friend's been doing really well. They've been trading for like 6-7 years, so good. Oh, yes, no, there's nothing we can do. No, 100%. My strategy is it's a 1 to 2R. The only reason why I'm now at a break-even point is because I'm an idiot. I'm not risking the same amount per trade. Like I said, because I'm an idiot, I should be risking the same amount per trade. So I know why. I know why. It's me. I'm the problem. It's me. But no, it's a solid trade. It's just because I'm not risking the same amount with every trade. Yeah. I need to learn the CVD reversal trade. I love tech. Okay. I think that's the first time you mentioned it. I'll have a look at it. Baby wipes. What's the most valuable thing I've learned in trading? Like top 1 tips. Oh my gosh, the mental. I would say don't get emotional, but that's really hard. So it's more about the mental discipline to trust your strategy and be okay if it doesn't work. I think that's the top 1 tip, is you have to be okay if it doesn't work out. I'm still working on that one. It's hard. I think that's the most difficult part for me, but it's fine. The brain clock rate is very slow, but it's parallel processing in the background. I love tech. Interesting. Max defense mechanism is the answer, I guess. You can plot and see anchor VWAP. It's mother of VWAP. Okay. Oh, thanks, Caro. Sean, am I what? Oh, Astrid, you're very sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Am I making money? Not yet. Like I said, I'm not here to claim that I am, or that I'm making millions, or that I'm doing great. I'm still in my eval. But yeah. That's interesting. Brain trains to spot for danger and negativities that it can save your life. I guess, no, because it does make sense. But then my brain's a little bit dysfunctional because it enjoys riding horses. Those things are out to get you. Anyways, moving on. The CVD. Actually go with your strategy. The CVD reversal. Okay. Taking notes. Guys, there's so many notes. So many notes. CVD reversal. Okay. Whoop, whoop. Oh my gosh, sorry. The reversal trade. Brain smart, brain good. Brain. You're building an algo, you're never trading by yourself again. Why, Nix? You're doing a strategy where one-to-one risk is just fine. Sorry, I keep having to scroll up. The winner, as I found it. There we go. Every time I find it, something happens. There we go. It's more like 50%, that's why it's profitable. Oh yes, yeah, it's more than 50%, that's valid. You're new to trading? Sorry, I saw someone said they're new to trading. Whoa, Republic of Jamaica. Hi, by the way. You are the second person from Jamaica. Well, that I know of anyways. Welcome, welcome. Well, don't enter in the chop. I can tell you that one for free. This is excruciatingly slow today. So thanks, guys. I think I need to actually do a shout out to all of you. Thank you, because you guys are definitely keeping me company during this. Whatever the heck you want to call this right now. Astrid invested. Okay. I'm gonna stop trying to scroll up because it's just not working. So if I've missed any messages, please just send again and then I'll focus for a second. Best advice for trading, keep coffee next to you. Astrid. Yes. Oh, A Street. I don't know. I'm sorry, I've been calling you Astrid. I've just heard what... Cool. Anyway, A Street. Yes. Gosh, that's bad. AU, hi, welcome. Martin Maya Papaya. Okay. I love taking you to 3-to-1 with the 33% probability. 1-to-1 or 1-to-1. But I don't have a 33% probability. I have higher than that. So will a 1-to-2 I'll not be fine then. Oh damn, Sean, well done. That's awesome. Trader X, yes I do. Twice a day to be fair. I trade London and New York session, Trader X. There we go. Yeah, go on then. Everyone, where are you from? Baby Wipes, you're from Norway. That is so cool. Can I wish your mom a happy birthday? Yeah. Happy birthday. I don't want to deal with emotion. I have a strategy I've backtested with AI and it's pretty good. About 80% win rate across the last 2 years. Damn, Max, look at you go. Stop his friends and I'm impossible to protect. You know what? Stuffy's friends and I. Let me have a look. I don't know, hey? I don't know about that. I think you could maybe be right. This could be sideways. It's giving a very horizontal feel to it, isn't it? That made me giggle a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Shocker, because I do have 2 live streams on. Yeah. Ooh, I forgot to put these on. My bad. Oopsie. Oops. Okay. Yeah, it's because I have two. I have a vertical and a horizontal. Anyway. Could you tell me how I could meet you? Well, I mean, Monday, Discord will be opening, so that'll be quite cool. But I will limit it to at least 50 people to begin with, so that there's not absolute chaos. And the whole idea for it is for it to be a community, right? So that we can all share our we can share our trades, we can help each other out. You know, it's a genuine community where we just want to support each other. That's the hope for the Discord anyways. Harry P. Love the background, thank you. Yes, I know, Nox, I know, shush. It's A Street, we now know that. No, I don't. Michelangelo, I don't. A Street, invest in, okay. Hey, okay, so you are also from South Africa, that's awesome. What part of South Africa are you from? Stephen Rogers, hi, you're from India, that's cool. Oh, sorry. Niana, cool. You're from Canada, but living in Dubai. How is it there, by the way? Love from Alabama. Albania, why did I say Alabama? That's also hi. G, nope. JG, I did it, I nailed it. First try. I'm sorry, I'll get it right. I don't know why my brain does that. Okay, I'm not gonna say your name. Okay, moving on. Plague Ink player, yes. I mean, no, that's disgusting. Just like, that's terrible. And on high, thank you. Outlander, I'm not, I'm South African. Who just said that? Baby wipes, when there's a chop like that, you should order a box from the top to the bottom of the chop and trade only. Do you know how many times I've done that? I used to do that all the time, and I was like, I'm not taking a trade until it's properly out. Ooh, speaking of, it looks like we could potentially be properly out. Let's wait for confirmation. If it's gonna stay out, or if it's just gonna come right back in. Cheers, cheers, Ricky. Enjoy. And on why? No. Dubai is hot and boring. Really? Okay, yeah. Shaka. Yeah, good idea. Good idea. I'm so sorry, A Street. Oh, you're from Richards Bay. That's so cool. A Street, I'm from South Africa. A volume profile. I do not trade stocks. It just opened. Wait a bit. No, don't worry, Nox. I will. I need confirmation that's actually going somewhere. Thank you, Water Dog. I appreciate it. Okay, now we wait and see. Nope. I'm gonna draw the box, but I have done it before. I love that you said that. Oh wow. Okay, now it barely came out of the box. It pretended to come out of the box. Wow, okay. Like I said, at least I got you guys here to keep me busy. Noah, what platform do I use? I'm using Project X. And what do I trade? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. The micros, to be more specific. Did I see David? Late. Was napping because old. Damn, I could do with a nap. Naps sound good. Nap sounds amazing. Nice, Boom. Boom, I feel like you're always hungry. Go eat some cereal. Cereal works, right? It's easy to make. Serious question. How do you learn about this when you know nothing about trading? Oh, and on do you have any trader friends? Or are we your friends? Are we your trader friends? You want sandwich. Why is it in capitals? Damn. Okay, what? My strategy can pass an evaluation. I believe it could if I just did it properly and wasn't dumb. But no, that wasn't negative. But it's valid. Anyways, really? Then why does she use it? I'm a little bit confused, but anyways. Can I say Sabona? Yeah? Schrodinger's candle. Knox. That is beautiful. Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? We won't know until it gets out of the damn box. No, for it. Well, and I think then this is a great place to start. It might seem overwhelming, but when people mention things, I mean, you can ask Knox. Knox, did you know anything about trading before you hopped on here? There's a 30-minute fair value up on NQ, might make a nice entry. But I'm not Australian, David. Oh, that's weird. I was like, why do I want to say your name like that? Like, no, David. But that's from that TV series. Sugar Honey Iced Tea Creek. Yeah? Oh no, then stick around. Stick around. Yeah, I try and make it as simple as possible because it theoretically shouldn't be complicated. Is it making inverse fair value gap? Well, I guess it made one. It did not respect it very well. See, this is why this chop doesn't work. My brain goes, here was an inverse fair value gap. Theoretically, this trade should have been something to look at, but it's pushing up for potential bullish movement. So, okay, sorry. Noah, if you want me to explain anything, because like I said, I'll keep it super simple because the simple works for my brain. If you want me to explain anything, just be like, you know, inverse fair value gap, question mark. And then I can explain it to you in super simple terms. Because obviously that's how I had to figure it out, with the super simple. Damn! Baby wipes, that's... I don't know, was it a needed storm, if that makes sense? American Muscle, you need to trade stocks today? Okay. Duncan, I do not, but I am affiliated with them. So if you want to use an eval account, you're more than welcome to use my code. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that. Funding Ticks is one of my affiliates, so you can use my code if you're gonna, you know, get a bit of a discount going. Oh, Duncan, how do I manage my time? It's rough, I'm not gonna lie. There never feels like there's enough time in the day, but I'm sure a lot of people feel that way. I never feel like there's enough time in the day. I mean, in the morning, I feel like I have to try and get some things done. Like I quickly did some washing this morning because we finally have some sunshine here. But I did washing, I had to take the dog for the walk. I was bad. I had to do some exercise. I'll count the walk as a little bit of exercise, but it wasn't proper. Then after this, I need to go to the horses to sort out the horses. Then I'm back, and you know, so basically I try and get things done early in the morning or late at night. That's the only time. Or weekends, I guess weekends. Boom, banana. Monday. Monday's the day for DC cord. DC cord? Monday, guys. Monday. Is this a sustainable source of income, or do you need a fancy accent to qualify? Waterdog, don't think it's an easy way of income. I think that's the misconception. I think some people think that this is easy. No, not easy at all. I used to think that. There we go. And now, Nox, you know a lot. You tell me off when I mess up. Just saying. Boom, I said Monday. Calm down. Sorry, I just read your message now. Windstorm has been bad here. Hospital started getting blown apart. Damn, David, that's not good. Anna, explain the graph like you're 5. I mean, I could try. Options, I'm not training anything. So you have the support and resistance. How do you forecast which way the stock will be headed? That, I think it's just patterns, and you know, sometimes you can try and predict that the pattern, like this looks like it wants to push up. I think this wants to break out bullish. I could be really wrong. It might just want to be grabbing a little bit more liquidity for a massive pullback. I'm indicating you have to have a pro subscription though. Plaguing on ES 6795. Okay, had 200 passive orders, so liquidity is basically acting as a magnet. Yep. Simplest way I can say. Yeah, that makes sense. Go on options, why not? You can. That's rough. Waterdog, that, and Anon, that was amazing. Anyways, moving on. Baby wipes, do I have cats? No, I wanted to get a kitten, guys. I wanted so badly to get a kitten. But in South Africa, you know, it's difficult enough to find a place to rent with a big dog. If I had to say I have a big dog and a cat, they would laugh at me. They'll just say, nah, get up. Yeah, they're a little bit stricter. Don't know why. Why wash yourself when you can look at candlestick markers? I mean, Mr. Warhammer. Yeah, it's okay. You guys can't smell me. You don't know. Ah! Too many things. Too many things. Okay. And on horses, do I live on a farm? No, they stay at the stable yard. Duncan, how do I manage like mental capacity? I think that's where, and I have been bad this week and I can feel it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm not as like, woohoo. Exercise. I know a lot of people it doesn't work so well for them, but the exercise works really well for me. It just gives that, you know, boost of endorphins, and then it helps just that mental state. All of a sudden you're like switched on, if you will. That's just for me personally. And obviously my horses, they're a mental break in between the markets. That's my shut off time. I mean, for a lot of people, I guess it would be going and maybe reading a book or going and sitting outside, or, you know, but I think you need a form of just a mental shutdown in between. And for me, it's then my horses. That's what I do. Or like I said, I then go and exercise, because then you can just literally turn everything off. Plague Ink Player, you'd say there's a big long opportunity here. Let's see. Okay. I feel like I've missed a bunch of messages. I apologize. I apologize if I missed anything. My bad. You're playing gold between the algo liquidity this morning. Oh, I love tech, and how are you doing? Wartdog, I mean, yes. Yes, it would mean something else in South Africa. I do not have though, just saying. I love tech. Ping pong ball. Is that going to be your new nickname? Ping pong ball. Boomer, I know. Boomer has one cat, and he put a dress on his cat, and it was adorable. Yeah. I love tech. You just avoided a bull trap. Well done. Am I jolly? Thanks. I'm like Santa Claus. Martin? How do you know this isn't full-time? Is this a stock market channel? Isaac? Yeah, when the market's doing proper things. Right now it's just apparently a sit and wait channel. But having good conversation with great people in a great community, so that's cool. Chima? Hell yeah. Why do you think? I've drawn this little box. When it actually properly moves out of this box, I will look at something. But right now, yeah. I love take you up. Ooh, nice. Why people in South Africa love to keep horses? Well, you say that. It's not really. I've been riding since I was 3 years old. I grew up on a plot where there were horses. I've always loved horses, so. David? That was brilliant. But yeah, guys, if you're at least kind of enjoying the chit chat, because I know there's not much trading going on today because there's not much happening on the charts right now. This is a very slow day, but if you're at least enjoying the chat and the community, if you guys wouldn't mind liking that stream, that would be amazing. Skeletor Ray, that's terrible. Martin, I mean, yeah, valid. Okay, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for movement. Momentum. I need momentum. I can't trade in the chop. I know some people can. You guys are lucky fishies. I cannot. Nazar, I'm trading on Project X. Market will manipulate, taking out the sellers, and then it will just distribute. Oh my gosh. Can you tell it's Friday? English just isn't Englishing as English should be Englishing. And Hanbei, we're looking at the... Well, we're not looking at much right now, but we're looking at the Nasdaq futures. It's just not moving at all. Okay, you had a farm in Africa? Really? That's not terrible, is it? Yes? Why do you want to move there? Can I discuss more about algo trade? Not really, because I don't know too much about it. I'm not gonna lie. I won't be able to say that much, but does anyone else know a lot about algo trade? Water dog. I guess it depends on how much you're willing to risk. yeah. If in the beginning you're not willing to risk a lot, then you'll only obviously receive a little bit, so it won't be enough to live off of. But if then you start to grow and you're starting to risk more, then yes, you'll start to gain more. Who's that? Anyways, hey Raj, what up? How you doing? Yeah. I do believe in patterns. I definitely believe in patterns. They make up majority of the freaking market structure. You know, market structure is technically a pattern. I mean, you're not wrong. English is 4 languages in a trench coat pretending to be 1 language, and it's so complicated. Sparkle Shine, I'm from South Africa. Oh, thank you. Thank you for being the new sub. I appreciate it. Oh, thanks, Nessa. Thank you. Okay, that was Mom's favorite movie. Okay. I love tech. You love elbows. There we go. Really? And on you, buddy. Yes, Sam, it's 1 to 2 R. Yeah, that's my R. My R and R? No. My RR. Market makers like sideways market. Yes, I hate. So look, it's back in the freaking box. Would this have maybe worked? Nope. This looks like it's now coming down. Wait. You know, it's not worth it in the chop. This could just now crash right through now that it's taken out a little bit of liquidity, and that just doesn't work with my strategy, unfortunately. Yep, let's see. If it goes back up, then cool. You know, there's always another trade. I can't be bummed about that. I'm shooketh at this market today. What is this even? The market trade sideways 70%. That doesn't sound right. Really? Solly, you're trying short again? I love tech. So what I'm hearing is you're gonna be a great guy and help me out. Skeletor, have I heard or listened to the Kifness? Yes, I have. Mijing, hi. No, I don't think so. I think wherever you trade, it depends on how much. No, why does it look like it's going up now? Was this maybe a good trade that I should have taken? Damn it. Solly, how's it looking? John, you like my nun cosplay. Very wholesome. David, are you and John conspiring against me? I'm just saying. Just asking for a friend. Skeletor R, where do I think silver will peak? No idea. No idea. Will it ever peak? Maybe that's the question. Hell yeah, I love tech. That's awesome. Oh, and no, it's not forbidden. I think majority of you guys know how old I am. Ooh, Anon, how about this? This will scare you. How old do you think I am? Boom. Boom, banana. I cannot trade this. Are you gonna get in a trade? What do you think's gonna happen, Boom? I'm not Russian. Killer talk, that was terrible. That I shouldn't have laughed at that. But that was really funny. Okay. Why don't I see the 1 hour chart? Sorry, your entry's 334. Ooh, okay. That's not bad. So I love take. You also think of copying trading once you get the algo. I mean, why not? All right, if it's gonna work, it's gonna work. John, is it the headband? Really? Really? Interesting. Boom banana. No, I'm not. But thank you. I'm not 24. Yes, there we go. Yes, got it right. 26. Well, I'm turning 27, so theoretically I'm still 26. What's up with that sass? Says you capital. You caps locked me. Rude. Oh, sorry. My bad. Yes, sorry. I'll be quiet. Yes, guys, I am. Damn it! Why does this look like it would have been a goodie? I mean, if we get confirmation, I might be able to enter it long then. Here it goes. I should have taken it. Nope. Get that out of my head very quickly. Couldn't have taken it because it's still too choppy. Wouldn't have been worth it. It may have been worth it. Yeah. No, I mean, let's see. This could still go either way. Baby wipes, why? How old are you? Sorry, that's also probably rude to ask. Sorry, you don't have to answer that. Good trade is hard trade. Yeah, true. I mean, no. Anyways. Damn, Solly. I know, LP. I know, Boom, I know. I'm sorry. But now, look, it looks like it could potentially be coming back down. You know, I don't like the chop. The chop sucks. I'm not a fan of the chop. It's also, also the fact that it looks like it wants to be bearish on ES does not help. But it does look like it wants to be bullish on NQ, so I should just trade the chart that I'm on, right? Oh, thank Rick. Thanks, Rick. English is depleted. Baby wipes are 2 years older than me. Yeah. Wait, Nishad, I missed number 2. What was number 2? Market first goes high to go low. Yes, that makes sense. It needs liquidity for movement. Place your order where other place there's stop loss. I mean, what, because it wants to seek people's stop losses? That does make sense. Okay, I wanted to judge you, but would that work? I don't know if that would work. She's the premium. Rick. That was good, sorry. Let's go gold market. Why don't I like gold market? There's no reason why. No, I think gold market actually looks quite fun to trade. The only reason I'm not is because I'm trying the mental discipline, guys. The mental discipline is a proper pain. I'm trying really hard to just be good at one thing before I start jumping around and potentially messing with things. If that makes sense. I'm gonna regret not taking this, aren't I? Probably. However, I did say that only once it's properly out this freaking box over here, that it's just ranging in, will I be able to properly look for something. Okay. Nox, no. Oh, skeleton, that was bad. Solly liked the stream while here, freaky boys. Oh my gosh, Solly, you are hilarious. Okay. Oh, flip. Hey, Silverbull, what's up? No, baby wipes, I don't need to know that. I don't need to know that 18-year-olds were born in 2007. No, don't do that. Thank you. But no. Damn, respect FF, damn! Why are you coming at me? I said I do like it. Mine's gold. If you buy a funded challenge with your code, do you get much for it? I'm not too sure yet. You get like a little percentage. But yeah, there haven't been like tons of people using my code yet, so meh. But I guess a little bit's better than nothing, right? At the end of the day. Respect FF. No, I'm not. Woo! Thank heavens I didn't. Kevin, you're from New Zealand. That's so cool. Hi. Hello from South Africa. It's going to launch to 25355. Really? Okay, Kay, what makes you say that? Anon, have I ever made money from this? If so, how often? What are you talking about? This? No, I'm still in an eval account. Like I said, I'm here to be honest. Skeleton, why? Oh, I just got that joke now. Have you read Trade X? It's all the rage for newcomers to trading. Liam, I have not. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna be a little bit rude for like, not rude. I don't know. I don't know if it's rude or not. Dashl's mom has got it going on. Interesting name, by the way. Do you know what this channel's about? Out of curiosity. Hey, hi from Pretoria. Hello from KZN. How you doing? Can you do that, I Love Tech? Is that a thing you can do? Can you share your membership with someone? Hello, Big Boom. Oh, goodness. You too. You guys. No, I do not. I do not have a code for Tradeify, sorry. Damn, I Love Tech. Are you serious? The stops are up there. Solly, so you're still in the short. It's a little bit scary. Did I not? Where's your stop loss at? Did you move to break even? What's happening, Solly? Mine's gold. No, I do not have course for sale. And then be rude. No. High life? No, it's not. Don't come here lying. Flip. Mine's gold. Hi. Hello. How's Australia going right now? I mean, I'll have to, yeah, super curious. If you could, that would be pretty cool. Oh, okay. I'll have to take interesting. We could maybe, yeah, we could have a look at that. What am I trading? Well, nothing right now. No! Is it actually gonna go up to where my TP was? You know what's funny? I was thinking, when I saw it actually doing quite well and rejecting off of this level, I thought maybe I should just place one here. Because it is slowly going up. Slowly being the freaking keyword. Solly, are you still in this, by the way? How's it looking for you? Liam, this is about trading, just right now there's nothing to trade. But again, the point is it says teach Maya trading, not Maya teaching trading. Nikos, hi! How's it going? How's Greece going? Of course it will. Mine's gold, I know, I'm trying. Okay, cheers, Liam. Thanks. Patrick, that's valid, but I guess that's the point, right? People that are genuine and actually want to learn and actually want to be a great community together. I wanted to say loving community, but you know, it's more like a friendship-based community, which could be loving, I guess. Those are the guys that actually stick around and actually come here because they're genuine and they want to encourage everyone. The others kind of go away by themselves, so it's perfect. Oh, only. Oh, in that case, go on then. Nikos, right? This is not great. I haven't placed a trade either. I was looking at this trade. This high resistance zone, this 335 level is hectic. It's really hectic. Thank you, Mindscold. I appreciate that. You personally trade the opening range of market open each day and also New York session. So mine's called, I trade both London and New York session, so I will be back later for the New York session as well. There it goes. And normally London's really good to me. Well, this would have been a win. Boom, I think you're allowed to yell at me again with the confidence thing, by the way. I think this is your opportunity to yell at me again. I give you permission to yell. Caps lock all the way, go for it. Rider's Way. Well, it's an eval account. I'm doing an eval account. I love tech. Yes. Theoretic. Yeah, I'm sure there's a way to do it. It's like, you know, I had Boom on here as a co-streamer. I'm sure you could do like a similar situation, right? Oh, yeah, listen, mine's gold. FOMO got me yesterday. And the day before. Actually, yeah, FOMO's been bad. FOMO's been bad. Like that day where the New York market just freaking went to the moon. And I got FOMO because everyone was in on that flipping momentum and I couldn't get in. And it screwed me. Yeah. And then same with yesterday. The one was my fault. The other one was FOMO. It was my fault in the sense of it had taken liquidity. I should have used the higher range, but the second one was FOMO. That was on me. Thank you, boo. There we go. Okay. Well, it hasn't hit TP yet. I don't know why I'm saying that. I literally said yell at me because this looks like it would have been really, really good. I mean, it's out with okay-ish momentum. There. This will lose peanuts and yeah. We tried this little trade here. This is itty bitty. I don't know if it's gonna come back down to get me. It's itty bitty. Could be a mistake because it keeps wanting to wick down. No, there it is. Oop, there it is. Hey, Raphael, what's up? Skeletor, where do you get these jokes from? Yeah, 100%. Where do you get them from? Because they are amazing. Love them. They're terrible. Don't get me wrong. Absolutely shocking. But I love them. The only problem is it has taken this fair value gap. Oh, let's see. Nox, what was making me doubt that one? It was purely just because it was still in range. That was the only reason. I wanted a little bit more confirmation outside of this damn box. Also, would have been a goodie. This would have been a beautiful win. Well, I say beautiful. I don't know if beautiful is the right word to describe this. This would have been a very long, exhausting win, but it would have been a win. No! Sorry! Sorry, BD. Down 500 for the day. Daniel. It's still kind of ranging. Good question. It kind of looks like Seek and Destroy on ES. Guys, you can correct me if I'm wrong with that one. Just the vibe I'm getting. That sounds terrible. Ricardo, what time is it? It is exactly 10:43 a.m. here in South Africa. And New York session for me is 3:30 p.m., which is awesome. Aw, thanks, Raphael. Enjoy. From North Korea, that's so cool. Hi. Okay. Hey, Toxad. It's the same box, Nox. This is the same box I drew earlier. It hasn't moved. This damn freaking VWAP is driving me absolutely crazy. Anyways. Cheers, mine's gold. Yeah, enjoy. Hopefully there's more. Hopefully there's just more happening then. I think that's the key word right there. Thanks, BD. Well, let's see. Ricardo, why are you awake? Why are all of you awake? Rider's Way. No, I'm not married. Sam, I don't eat lunch. I just get busy, so I forget. Skeletor. You can stick around. These are hilarious. I'm thoroughly enjoying these. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Boom, I keep forgetting. I'm sorry. Yo, guys. Cat's out the bag. Shocker, day 9 of US shut. Guys, how long is the shutdown gonna happen? Does anyone know? Does it look like there's an end in sight? Or is it just me? Thanks, Raphael. You're so sweet. I wonder if I can project it. I might be able to project it. Wait. Let me see. Let me see what I can do. I love check. Sam, you like the mug? I also like this mug. It's awesome. And it holds a lot of coffee. Coffee good. Coffee helps. If it comes back one last time, that would be great. I don't know if it will though. Let's see. This might take a while. Sam, what do I do for fun? You set it to NQ. Let me see if I can. Oh my gosh. Okay, it will go to... Okay, really? You think so? So, Shaka, you're expecting it to jump up today, then sell off next week as it continues. Azar! Really? Did you have something to focus on? Aren't you just lucky? Brag much? It's just been chopping here. The whole time. How were all the other assets? Let's see, I'm gonna see. Sorry guys, there might be a slight interruption. I'm gonna see if I can do this. Ah, cool. Aw. This video isn't available anymore. Aw. I love tech. It says the video isn't available anymore. Okay, 13 more points till TP. Nice. You just ate a whole bag of what? What is that? Let's see if this comes to get me. I don't know if it will though. If it does, cool. Is it going to? I don't know. How fresh Jax is ranging. Range for the last 2 hours. Gold was nice, but caught the scalps. Missed the breakout. No, Zah! Okay, well at least gold did something. This has just been ranging the whole day. This is probably why some people refuse to trade Fridays, right? It's chips. Oh, okay. Boomerana. Yeah, we don't have that here in South Africa. No! It won't let me see it, I love tech. It just says this video isn't available anymore. Sorry, I am trying. It's a spicy chips. Oh, okay. Oh, it's like knickknacks. Oh, thanks, Nox. I think so. Nox, do you know where to get them? Because I'm gonna Google it. Let's Google. Nope, don't do it there. Oh, I've never had these. Okay. What? Why are they so expensive? That can't be right. That can't be right. Why is this saying like 539 Rand for 4 bags? Are they on what? No, that's ridiculous. I don't know if you could call this trading today, but I'm on the Nasdaq futures. I mean, that would have been a tag in, damn it. Should maybe use the smaller range. But this is ridiculous. That's 3 points. Not even 3 points. Okay, maybe it's just a no trade for me morning. Sorry, guys. Super duper boring today. They're American knickknacks. It sounds like it. Well, it looked like it. It's like $3. Okay, but again, how much? Traders way, what up? And then, well, now I've set it up. I'm waiting for it to potentially come down again. I'm actually just waiting for a little bit of momentum, Annan, but yeah. Nox, yeah, no, I was thinking that, and I was even thinking, I was like, is this why they just avoid Fridays? Because there's absolutely nothing to do. Let's see, I wanted to check out something. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I wanted that. Let's see, how much is $3? I mean, that's pretty expensive for a packet of chips. 51 Rand. That's expensive for a packet of chips. Yeah. Alright, am I a mom? No. Well, I am. I have a fur baby. Does that count? DJ Cooper, I've heard gold is quite fun. Where do I trade? Well, I'm using Project X, I'm in South Africa, and I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I hope that answered whichever question. Yeah, right, Nox. $3 is nothing. Boominat, like I said, that's 51 Rand. Chips here are normally like 20 Rand. I can get things for 15 Rand. Do you know how much that is for you? That's 87 cents. Okay. No, I love take. It did not. It did not load. Let's try again. And oh no. I don't understand. It looks like it's about to load something and then it just says video isn't available anymore. I mean, I love tech. You're not exactly... Yeah. You're not disrupting much. There's not much happening. We're talking about chips right now. And then respectfully disagree. Trader X, yeah, that's valid. Rule number 1, don't lose money. I mean, that's a valid rule. I don't think a lot of people are good at that. Damn right as well done. That is awesome. I need people to clip me. What? What does that mean? Can I look up... Is it Kinder Morgan Incorporated or Kinder Morgan Incorporated? Who's that? Ah, signs of intent. That's awesome. I'm in KZN. Boom Banana, cancel the trade. Why do you think it's going to start going down? Oh, it did make another high there. You don't think it's going to bounce back off this? You think it's going to go down properly? We're trusting Boom. In Boom we trust. I mean, it's nearly time for me to hop off anyways. Sorry guys, there was one good trade. And I missed it. Unfortunately. I'll leave this up out of curiosity to see if it would have been a win, but... Right as way, my last week profits nowhere near yours. I was in the green, but I think only by like $400, which I know to some people isn't great, but to me it's pretty decent. Like I said, I need to start having a higher risk to start actually getting more. Ah, hasn't Boom Banana... Boom, haven't you taken some clips before? Okay, but then... On-sea clips? Sorry, I think I butchered that. What do they do with those clips? Not another username, you think it's gonna go bearish? Hey Harash, how you doing? Damn, it's 2 p.m. Oh, it's 2 p.m. Cool. How's it going? Ego Joe? Cool, I got it. I love tech. Thank you. I don't have an X username, but I do have Instagram and Facebook. I know a lot of people don't really have Facebook anymore, but I do have Facebook. I should stay until 25355. You still think it's gonna go up to 355? Hell yeah, I love tech. I got it. I saved it. Yeah. Clips, yes. Yeah, Boom, we're talking about clips. No, what's that? Boom Banana has a clip of me saying he's right. Of course you do. Oh, thanks, Raphael. I appreciate that. What? Why is it not found? I don't understand. Maybe it's just my thing being weird. Cheers, Annan. Enjoy. David! Are we talking stocks? No, not really. We are talking rubbish. Welcome to chaos, essentially. Oh, nice, Samuel. Well done. You lucky bugger. I should have taken it. It's fine. It is what it is. Ricardo, I'm drinking coffee. Yeah. 10:58. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's now 10:59. In 22 seconds, it'll be 11. Amit, I appreciate that, but no, I'm actually really shy. I would never be able to do either of those things. But I appreciate it. That's a very nice compliment. Thank you. Beef, Nasdaq futures. Hell yeah, signs of end times. Thank you. Just look up Teach Maya Trading. It's there. Probably heading back to session open or Asia lows. Aaron, you think so? You don't think this might pop back up? This is a potential push. Let's see. Okay, I will do that. Clip, thanks. Let's try this one last time. I love tech and nope. Maybe it's a problem on my side. Sorry. Oh, that makes sense. If in doubt, zoom out. Shocker. Ooh. Okie dokie. Thanks, Boom. Okay, a little bounce off of VWAP there. What? The actual frick frack snick snack. Now that I have to go, it's actually doing something? That was so unnecessary. That was so uncalled for. Where's Solly? Solly, are you still here? Ricardo, yes, I'm on London session. I know, are you shocked that I said thank you? Is that what's happening? Is that why you cap locked the you're welcome? Asking for a friend? Signs of the time. Oh, so don't worry, I'm gonna be here for the New York session as well. Signs of end times. Let's see. Samuel, you think a focus on buy? Really? After this? Aaron, yes you did. Yes you did. And Mavalu, you think it's time to go long now? Nope, still not. I love tech. Sorry, maybe it's just on my side. Beef, no. I wasn't in anything, so I'm good. Nox, was that just because of the hourly opening or closing candle? Would you call it a closing or an opening candle? It's not theoretically both. Swept London lows, but is this still not London? Does this then not technically count as London low? Sure, okay. What the heck? I can't believe it now just moved as I have to go. So unnecessary. Okay, I'll be 2 seconds. I'm gonna see. Maybe I'll be able to stick around a little bit longer. I'm not sure though, which sucks. But give me 2 seconds. Okay. Okay. Oh, no, Solly, no! Solly, I am so sorry, that sucks. I don't have to trade, get out. High life, no, you're bad. You're right, you're right. I'm... I know. I think it's just frustrating. Okay, I will, yeah, no. High life, you're right. There's still New York, and like Solly's even said yesterday, where's that famous quote? Day trader, not every day trader, right? Okay, I will. Not another username, I will go check it out. Manual, I was predicting an uptrend, but this would have screwed me. Like I said, there was one trade and I missed it. But that's fine, right? Because as I Love Tech says... Wait, where is it? Oh, where'd it go? There it is. There's always another trade, right? There's always another trade. I'm just gonna have to keep reminding myself of these two things. Could it still want to go further down? Or was that just a proper liquidity grab to start pushing to the upside? Let me try one last time. Nope, I still can't see it. Let me try this one. Nope, sorry, I love tech. Anyone else? Damn, boom, okay, I'll go, damn. Hey, Mark One, how you doing? Where have you been? Manual, don't gamble those. No, you guys are right, you guys are right. I'm gonna leave this up to see when I come back later how it would have looked for a sell. I wanted to sell it. That's not rather Nox. That was a quick seller for liquidity. Let's see, Nox. Let's see. Mark One, how's the trading been going? Before I go, how's the trading been going? Man, it is stuck, my guy. Check. This is the box I drew. This is from before opening. It's basically still in this damn range. I'm hoping that means that New York will have some really decent moves. And when I say decent, I mean moves that aren't gonna screw me. Like yesterday. Let's see. I must just be better. Samuel Hogg, sometimes the best trade is no trade. Speaking facts. Nox, coming with the good questions. I'm gonna wait for Boom Banana's response quickly. No pressure, Boom, no pressure. And then I'll call it, and then I'll go to the horses. And then, then I'll go to the horses, and then like I said, I'll be back. I'll be back for the New York session. Hopefully it gives us something. If not, like I said, guys, sitting here and just chatting with you guys is also amazing. Manuel, this is the NASDAQ futures. The micros, to be specific. Mabaloo, really? You expect it to slowly climb back up? Not another user? I promise I'll go look. Okay. Manual, Boom Banana, yeah. Well, to be fair, Nox did. Nox said, hey Boom, what did you look at when you made this call earlier about it going to be short? What was your indicator that it was going to start dropping down, basically? Manuel, what up? Wait, oh, Mark 1, sorry, I didn't even see that. 6R on EU today. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. Holy moly. Liquidity upside to sell. Damn, now we're getting yelled at by Solly. Sorry, Solly, were we asking Boom Banana for the secret sauce and now... Well, Boom Banana's been claiming he's my husband, so theoretically there should be no secrets between us. Just saying. Just putting it out there. 50 minutes strong selling pressure, but oh, on the 15 minute? Is that what you're asking? Share the sauce. Of course, Mark 1. That's amazing. Yeah, huge boop boop for you. That is so cool. Well done. Yeah, I do. Okay. Hide that because it looks like chaos. But this only happened at 11. Why do you say... Because you said this earlier. Was it because this was kind of like a little doji? Swish what? Do I what? Yeah. Okay. Shocker. But is it just because of this doji here on the 15 minute that you're like, this looks suspicious because it rejected off of this little bit of an order block here, right? Just so that I'm understanding what you saw. Boom. See, told you. Hey, doo-doo? Sorry, I think I butchered that. Ravenous, I'm nothing right now, to be fair. I'm leaving. I'ma call it here. I was looking at a potential sell. Oh, I hate my view app with the passion of 1,000 suns, but it's fine. Let's see if this would have been a winner. Manual, no, I haven't done anything yet because the charts, well, there was one good place for a setup for me and I didn't take it. That's on me. That's my bad. Okay, but I'm damn, it does look like it's a potentially good trade. No, I have to go. I'm going. Reminder, this is happening Monday. And last thing, stay tuned for a potential giveaway happening next week. And it's gonna be a goodie. Just saying, it's gonna be a goodie. Oh, boom, sell it, yes. No, I'm gonna leave it. Boom, I think you're correct. I think this would have been a winning trade. Yeah. No, I'm trying really hard to be good. I'm trying really hard to not let that little... Yes. Boom, yes, boom will. Don't worry. Okay, well, let's see who's right when I come back for the New York session. Is Boom gonna be right by saying sell it? Or Manuel, are you gonna be right? Let's see. Okay, but... I will call it there. Knox, come back during New York. We'll bug him. We'll bug him together. We got this, Knox. Okay, I'm gonna call it. Let me go to the ponies. I'll then see you guys for the New York session. Hopefully, again, if you, I don't want to be as bold as say if you had fun today because this was boring as hell. Sorry, but if you at least enjoyed being part of the community and having a good chit chat and being supportive. Yes, Manuel, I'm done for now. I'll be back for the New York session later, but I need to go and see the horses. I would say give my brain a break, but it didn't do much today. But anyways, Ricardo, do we celebrate? Not really. A little bit, but not really. Yeah, Raphael, for now. I will be back. Don't worry. I'll be back for the New York Open session at 9:15 a.m. EST time or 3:15 p.m. South Africa time. But I will be back. Trust the boom. Aw, Starboy, hugs to all. Thank you. Hugs back. Okay, let me go. I love you guys madly. I will see you then later. Bye.